Now you see me. At BrainCloud, we're doing something called Reboot. Let's make this a little brighter. How does that look? Now, we're doing Reboot because we think all the government employees, govies, and all the military personnel we think these large groups of people sometimes overlap. People from the military join the government, and the government employees are from the public. But this public is people and also markets, jobs, job markets. And right now, a lot of people from the government sector could move into the private sector and get jobs in this market. But I have another idea. Let's reboot them. Let's upskill everyone in the government and anyone in the military who needs cloud skills, AI skills, and software skills. And with these three things, we think we can reboot anyone in these areas to go back in and make a big impact. You can save time. Check your emails faster, go through the calendar, plan ahead. You can do things cheaper, use automation, and then of course you can save money. Less people assigned to the project, more people on impactful projects. So this is our idea for Reboot. Thank you. My name's Adrian. Sign up for one of our classes, and I hope to see you at Reboot 2025. My name's Adrian, and look out for our class and sign up. Nope, let me try that again.